Hello. In this video, we're going to look at the identifying parent functions from graphs. So looking at letter E, we have a graph that looks kind of U-shaped. And if you remember, a U-shaped graph should be a quadratic function. So the parent function here is going to be y equals x squared. And that's the quadratic function, and its parent function looks like that, basically. So this is a quadratic. Excellent. Now for letter F, we have a function that looks like this. Notice it's kind of on its side. If you would extend a bottom portion, it'd be kind of a U shape on its side. But this is a quadratic function because it doesn't continue in the other direction. So this would be, I say quadratic, I meant an even indexed radical, meaning the square root function. And the parent function looks like that. Very similar to this. Notice that it's basically the parent function just moved up one unit. Letter G. Notice that this graph looks kind of like a weird S on its side, if you would. And so this will be the y equals cube root of x, or in other words, the cube root function. And the parent function looks like this, where it goes through the origin. Notice that this is basically the cube root, just moved up 3 units. Alrighty. As for the last one, notice that this one is a V shape. It's opening down, but it's still a V shape. So this is an absolute value function. So y equals the absolute value the absolute value of x, and the name is absolute value. And the parent function looks like that. Alrighty. Well, that's pretty much it for this. I'll go ahead and leave it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.